Hi, my name is Gofaone Pheko, also known as Cookie. I'm 23 years of age, and I'm here to act because I believe that I've got this talent that should be viewed by a lot of people. So, yeah. My God, I can't do this anymore. First, you chose Erdi, your so-called best buddy, over me. And then you went on a road trip for days, remember? And never called me. And now Michelle? You cheating me with Michelle? My God, Michael, she's my best friend. What is wrong with you, huh? You enjoy destroying other people's lives, don't you? You just chew them up and spit them out again. I loved you, Michael. Do you hear me? I loved you. And what did that get me? Oh yeah, I'll tell you. In fact, I'll tell the whole world. A huge nothing. No, Don't even say a word. You had a chance to talk and tell me all your snitchy behavior, and guess what? You didn't use it. Now it's my turn. Now it's my turn to tell you that this conversation right here is done. So is you and I. We are done. Now get out. Get out, Michael, now! Good for nothing, lowlife.